Hi all, welcome back to another cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Bernice from the bottoms up cocktail book. I'll leave a link to it in the description below in case you want to get yourself a copy. For those in the US, I'll link to Amazon, and for those elsewhere, I'll find it somewhere online and give you the link. So this particular drink, I was inspired by the Bonneville Cocktail Collection. Bonneville Cocktail Collective. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, make sure you do. I'll link here. His most recent video was his second most recent video was 10 simple cocktails. It's been really popular. It's done quite well. I watched it yesterday and I was really quite surprised that they're relatively simple cocktails and they're all from cocktail books such as Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book. Yet out of 10 of them, I've only actually made one of them. So I'm essentially going to steal his content and recreate those cocktails in individual videos. His video has 10 back to back. So to start off, I'm going to show you how to make the Bernice. This is 50 mils of vodka. Today I'm going to use Kettle 1. So then Galliano, a vanilla liqueur, 10 mils. Followed by fresh lime juice, 20 mils. And lastly, sugar syrup. Only 10 mils, don't need a lot because there is quite a bit of sugar content in the Galliano. And this is a shaken cocktail, so fill that Boston glass with ice and give it a quick shake. Straight away, as soon as you open that cocktail shaker, you'll notice that Galliano smell, nice vanilla-y, citrusy notes to it. And a nice simple garnish, just a mint leaf. There you have the Bernice. Cheers, Bonneville. Very delicious. The Galliano doesn't take over too much. It's kind of a little bit of a twist on like a Southside / Kamikaze with vanilla notes. Super tasty, very easy to make at home. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.